Hi, today we're replacing quarter glass on our 2020 Toyota Tacoma Pickup. This is a 2020 pickup. We're replacing the quarter glass. This is our third video. Please click like and subscribe. I want to bring probably about 1,000 videos that will help you guys. So clicking like and subscribe will help us achieve that. So today, 2020 Toyota Tacoma extended cab quarter glass. So first thing you want to do is just break the glass. Break this loose glass. Just get it all loose. Thing we do, I just want to put tape as far in as possible to protect the paint. So you better be safe than sorry. You just try to go in as far as possible and then tape it. So now that you've taped it to protect the paint, next thing you want to do, you want to remove anything that looks like this. They're called setting blocks. So just to remove it, comes out, and there's another one right here. And there's probably one right there. All right, so now that the setting blocks are gone, now you're ready to remove all the urethane. Alright, so first thing you want to do is you just want to start. Okay. Okay, so first thing you want an opening that will get you in there. So I could try to use this blade. There we go. So all I need is an opening. So when you open like this, don't go too far. You don't want to scratch the paint. You want to stop right there. You'll notice my blade doesn't go too far up the channel. You'll notice I don't go up too close to the channel. I don't want to go this far. I just want to bring it right here where the urethane is. Alright, next thing I'm gonna do is nice clean blow. Next thing you do, so you wanna clean the surface. This is just water, maybe soapy water. So just clean the surface the best you can. Alright, so next thing you do is a primer. Don't put too much. You don't want it dripping. So just remove the excess of the dauber and just enough. And so I'll put my urethane on the inside part. So that's where I'm going to put my primer. And the reason I usually put my urethane on the inside part is that way it doesn't smear to the outside. If you put it too close to the edge, it will smear out. So you want to put it a little bit on the inside, and that's why you need a primer on the paint. So just be generous with it. And get it where there's a white paint on the inside part. The next step, caulking gun and urethane. Now, the urethane, sometimes it's very hard to dispense it because it's cold. So you want to heat it before you can dispense it easily. So you can use any dry heat. You could use hair dryer. You can use your defrost on the windshield. Just turn it to heat, and that will kind of make it more viscous and easy to dispense. So just warm it up. You need to be really warm to the touch. That's the only way you can easily dispense it. So this is the manual. Once it's nice and warm, it'll be easy to dispense. But it has to be warm. The warmer it is, the easier you'll have to dispense it. This is the same caulking gun, just power. So pretty much you can start from anywhere. Usually I'll start from the top. I won't go here where the old one was. I'll go a little bit lower. And so when you start here, make sure you overlap it. Every time you stop, just do an overlap. Very thin bead. Nice thin bead right at the top, then overlap. So that's the glue right there. Just nice thin bead, goes all the way around. If you notice, I'm a little bit in where I put the primer. I'm a little farther in so it doesn't smear out when I put the glass. All right, so now just position the glass perfectly where you want it. Okay, and then slowly press it in. Now as you're pressing, you don't want the glue to come out from the top. So as you're pressing, you just want to make sure that the glue is not visible. Is that good? What we need is just to tape it. And I'll leave the tape on for 48 hours. So this is a finished product. Leave the tape on for 48 hours. There'll be a link at the bottom of this video if you need the glass or any tools to install this glass. Just click on the link and you'll be able to purchase it. So this is again a 2020 Toyota Tacoma extended cab quarter glass.